Italian Prime Minister Giorgia Meloni has stirred controversy by asserting that she will not permit the implementation of Sharia law in Italy, citing a compatibility problem between Islamic culture and the values and rights of European civilization. During an event hosted by her right-wing, ultra-conservative Brothers of Italy party, Prime Minister Giorgia Meloni expressed her belief in a compatibility problem between certain interpretations of Islamic culture and the values of European civilization. She emphatically stated that she would not permit the implementation of Sharia law in Italy. Meloni criticized Saudi Arabia's strict Sharia laws, particularly highlighting criminal offences related to apostasy and homosexuality. Additionally, she raised concerns about the financial backing of most Islamic cultural centers in Italy by Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia is a nation that at home applies Sharia, and Sharia means lapidation for adultery, death penalty for apostasy, death penalty for homosexuality. I believe that these issues should be raised, which does not mean generalizing on Islam. It means raising the problem that there is a process of Islamization in Europe that is very distant from the values of our civilization, added the Italian PM. The event witnessed the presence of UK Prime Minister Rishi Sunak and billionaire Elon Musk. During his visit to Rome, Sunak expressed support for Meloni's migration approach, which includes the controversial plan to send asylum seekers to Rwanda. This proposal has faced legal challenges and accusations of inhumane treatment. Meloni, known for her efforts to restrict the activities of charity rescue ships in the Mediterranean, received criticism. Sunak emphasized the need to address the migration issue, warning that failure to do so would overwhelm countries and their capacity to assist those in genuine need. Both the leaders pledged to take unconventional measures to make deterrence effective. They also held discussions with Albanian Prime Minister Edi Rama on migration matters. Sharia law, commonly referred to as Islamic law, constitutes a set of principles and regulations rooted in the Quran and the Hadith, representing the foundational religious texts of Islam.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.